Okay, unboxing another one because my sister was talking shit the other day. She messaged me and was trying to tell me about this Labubu that she found on TikTok. And she was, I think she was insinuating that I needed to get it. Well, ho, I got it. Here. My husband's been a lot better about supporting my obsession with this stuff, so I'm gonna unbox it because I think I deserve it. Ta-da! He comes with an accessory, and his eyes move. Come on! Isn't that cute though? I love it. Rachel, eat your heart out.